If your Jeep JK is just looking a little bit too happy, today we're going to get a little bit more angry with some help from Rough Country. This Rough Country Angry Eyes Grille is going to fit all 2007 to 18 JK Wranglers. Constructed out of a durable ABS plastic, it's in a matte black finish that you can paint over with a factory color. Comes in this really nice design with all the factory mounting locations. Going to reuse all the hardware that came off your stock grille. It even includes a nice seal on the top as well as the clips on the back. Let's get our factory grille removed, throw this on, show you guys how it looks. First thing you need to do to get this factory grille removed is remove 6 of these push pins that go along the top of the grille. I'm going to use a simple flat blade screwdriver to pop the inside out and then the lower section, and they'll pull right out. Make sure you save these, we will have to reuse them. You can see I'll just gently pull up on the center, about halfway, get underneath the base here, and then it'll pop right out. You're going to do this with the other 5. Okay guys, all 6 of the push pins are removed. You can see the grille is free up top here. Now there are clips around the bottom of the grille to hold it into place. I'm going to pull on those gently and show you how to remove the turn signal right now. Go on the corner here and just pull it straight out towards you. Go along the center and then over here as well. As you can see, our grille is loose. Now once you have the grille pulled forward like this, you'll notice that you still have your turn signals connected back here. To get the lens popped off and to get this bulb out, what you've got to do on the driver's side is twist it counterclockwise, and it'll pop right out like this. Then on the other side, you're going to twist it clockwise, and the same thing will happen. Now we are going to be reusing our factory turn signals. To get these out, what you've got to do is push on these 2 clips. There's a center section, so you just push them in and push it down at the same time. And just like that, they'll pop out. Now, if you don't like the look of your factory turn signals, after you get a brand new Rough Country grille in there, CJ's, we offer a ton of different LED turn signals that'll give it a nice touch, and now's a perfect time to do it while you have the grille all apart, so make sure to check those out as well. As far as getting your new grille ready, there was 2 things that we had to do. We had to put these metal clips on the back tabs. They simply slide on. There's about 6 of them that go on the back, and then also just pop your turn signals in, push them in through the front, they'll go in the nice slotted holes there, and they'll click in. So now once you have that done, we're going to set it on the Jeep, pull the turn signal bulbs back into the housings, and then get it installed. Simply twist those back in. Now that the lenses are in, we're going to go ahead and push all those push pins into their proper locations. Just go around the edge and the bottom and make sure they seat properly. Once all those clips have been seated properly, we're going to go ahead and install the push pins, and that'll complete your install. All right guys, so if you're looking to make the front end of your JK a whole lot more angry, we definitely did so with this Rough Country Angry Eyes front grille. Like I said before, it's going to fit all 07 to 18 JK Wranglers. The only tool you need to get this done is a flathead screwdriver or something to pry those clips off. Then you can pop this one on, get your turn signals in there, and make it look a lot better on the front end. Comes in a matte black finish. You can also have it painted to match your Jeep, which I think would look pretty neat as well. And you can find it right here at cjponyparts.com.